Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to allow pop-ups on specific websites in Google Chrome. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once it's open, direct your attention to the upper right corner of your screen where you'll see three vertical dots. This is Chrome's main menu icon. Go ahead and click on those three dots to reveal a drop-down menu with various options for managing your browser. From the menu that appears, look for and click on Settings. This will take you to Chrome's main settings page where you can customize and control how your browser behaves. The settings page is your central hub for managing everything from privacy to appearance. Once you're on the settings page, take a look at the left side of your screen. You'll see a navigation panel with different categories. Click on Privacy and Security from this left side menu. This section is crucial because it contains all the controls related to how Chrome handles your personal information and website permissions. Within the Privacy and Security section, scroll down until you find an option called Site Settings and click on it. This is where Chrome lets you manage permissions for individual websites, including things like camera access, location, and importantly for us, pop-ups. Site settings give you granular control over what different websites are allowed to do. Now, you'll see a list of various permissions and features. Look for pop-ups and redirects in this list and click on it. This specific setting controls which websites can show pop-up windows, which is exactly what we need to configure for your specific site. On the pop-ups and redirects page, you'll notice a section that says Allowed to send pop-ups and use redirects. This is the list where you can add websites that you trust and want to allow pop-ups from. Next to this section, you'll see an Add button. Click on it to begin adding your specific website. A small window will appear asking you to input the website URL. Type in the complete URL of the website where you want to allow pop-ups. For example, you might enter something like https://example.com. Make sure you enter the full address correctly. Once you've typed it in, click the Add button to save this website to your allowed list. And that's it. You've successfully configured Google Chrome to allow pop-ups from your specific website while keeping them blocked everywhere else. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.